Hey everyone, it's Akos from iTechFlow and welcome back to my channel. If you watch my latest video, the iPhone Air unboxing and quick look, I was mentioned that I pre-ordered the 17 Pro Max as well. So today is the day, it's arrived. Oh, so I pre-ordered it as a silver version. I'm not really fan of the orange and blue stuff. I'm most likely the white and close to the white color. So actually this is really beautiful for me. This is the 256GB version. I don't need much more space, so it's perfect for me. So without any further ado, let's unbox it together and let's see what's Apple offer with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So as the usually protocol guys, let's start with the unboxing. It's nothing surprise, Apple keeps the box really slim these days, and just like with the Air, you get two pull tabs at the back. So after you open the box, there is the Pro Max in silver right on the top. My first impression, it was like, oh my god, it's huge compared to the Air, but that silver finish looks really clean and premium. And underneath the phone, Apple keeps it super minimal. You got the paperwork and the braided USB-C to USB-C cable, and since this is a SIM version, you also get a little SIM ejector tool. And that's literally it. Alright guys, let's take a closer look to the Pro Max itself. Right up front, we've got a massive 6.9-inch display. It just dominates the front with super slim bezels, making it feel almost edge to edge. The phone measures 8.8mm thick and weighs 233 grams. You can definitely feel the size and heft, but it's well balanced in the hand, and the matte finish makes it comfortable to hold. The body is made from matte aluminum, which feels smooth yet grippy, and that really adds to that premium look without picking up fingerprints. Inside, it's powered by a big 5088 mAh battery, which should deliver strong endurance for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. And for heat management, Apple finally added a vapor chamber cooling system, designed to keep performance stable and reduce overheating during demanding tasks like long gaming sessions or 4K video recording. And then there is the camera module, which is huge, taking up a big portion of the back, and it's clear Apple built this phone to be a powerhouse for photography and video. Alright guys, now let's protect this bad boy. So before I power this Pro Max on, and usually all of my phones, I always go protection first. Now I'm using two ESR products that I really recommend. First, the ESR Ultra Glass Screen Protector. It comes with an install frame that makes it super quick and easy to apply, bubble free, and you get 3 in the pack for backups. For the case, I've got both the clear version and the black version of ESR's camera control case with stand. They drop proof, give great camera protection, and the built-in stand is actually really handy. The clear one keeps the silver finish visible, while the back one gives it more of a stealth look. Honestly, for that price, both of these are worth it. I will drop the links and the discount code in the description so you can check them out for yourself. And a huge thanks to ESR to sending me those samples out. It's absolutely amazing products. So that was guys my first impression and unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver. I will be now setting it up and use it straight away along with the iPhone Air, what I already unboxed. That means you can expect not only a full in-depth review with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but also a full review of the Air. And then I will do a direct comparison video to see which one actually makes more sense day to day. Make sure you subscribe so you guys will not miss those videos. And let me know in the comment which one you'd go for, the slimmer iPhone Air or the powerhouse iPhone 17 Pro Max. By the way guys, this whole video was recorded with the iPhone Air, what you see now. So this is the quality of the rear camera. So let me know in the comments below how you like it. But I think it's really good camera. So thanks for watching. It's Akos from iTechFlow and I'll see you in the next one.